This section of the DevTrack product expert training will cover organizing your work using personal folders. The topics we will cover include enabling the personal folder feature in the admin, personal folder system settings, personal preferences and the daily use of the feature, and then using the escalation engine with personal folders. The configuration of personal folders is done in the Dev Suite admin. You open up your DevTrack project, go to the Advanced Features section, and then select the Personal Folders page. Check the checkbox to enable the feature, and the first thing you'll do is create a set of system level folders you'd like available for your users. These can be anything from my current work, delayed issues, urgent issues, waiting for next release, any set of folders that your team would like to have available to them to organize and manage their own personal work. Each user then, when they go to the DevTrack client or web interface, will go to their system menu and their user preferences, and there's now a personal folder option. You can enable personal folders for yourself and then choose which of these you would like to see within your subproject tree. You can also choose whether the personal folder section is at the top of your tree or the bottom of your tree. And at this point, you can drag and drop any issues that you would like from within the system into one of your folders. These can be bugs, features, anything that you would like to sort of raise the visibility on your personal work list. And now when you look into a given personal folder, you see shortcuts to those issues. They still exist in their parent folder down below. This is where the actual record is. But now the shortcut folder allows me to see any list of records that I want to keep visibility on, either because I own them or I'm watching them, but I have interest in these, and I can watch them even though they remain within the subproject folder as well. Managers also have the ability to look at their team members' personal folders. So I can look at this by team member and say, I would like to take a look at the following team members within my view as well. And now I can drill down here to each team member and look at everything they have within their personal folders, if they had any. And if I choose the other option to manage this by personal folder level, now I look at their folders for each team member, or for each folder, a list of team members and what they have within the category, and I can also display the team members first and the folder second. And the last use of personal folders is as an escalation vehicle. If I come up to my advanced settings, notifications, and escalations, each notification rule, which is covered in a separate section, has trigger conditions, filter conditions, and actions. In this case, the actions can actually populate a personal folder either along with an email or instead of. So if you have something that is being escalated to you because it is going to be due in the next week, you can simply have the escalation add that shortcut to your own personal folder. So instead of receiving emails, you will simply view the content of this escalated or due this week folder, and everything will filter up into that view automatically. So we can have a escalation. If it is open for 48 hours in this case, it's going to be added to your personal folder automatically.